The Universal Studio store right at the front of the park has some merch from old movies. This is from The Birds. Hitchcock's The Birds. This is $40. And they have a black one. There's all kinds of red birds on it. This is $45. And then this black and white striped pen. Birds on it. This is $40. This is like a jacket. It says The Birds. It's got some birds on it. And oops, this one is $90. It's a long sleeve and it's got a. It doesn't have any hood though. It just has a collar. And then on this side we have Happy Gilmore stuff. This is $45. It says Happy Gilmore and it's got a Argyle. And it's kind of like a knit polo shirt. And then here's a. This is Tap Tap Taparoo. This is $75. It's long sleeve. It's a very thick sweatshirt. I think this is a jacket too. That's I guess the logo for the golf club. Of course, this is $100. It is a long sleeve jacket. And they have a t-shirt that says Happy Gilmore on it. This one's $40. And then they also have for the new Masters of the Universe movie for He-Man. We got some stuff. Here's a hat for $30. Looks like a denim hat. This is like a corduroy jacket. Very thick. This one's $90. It has some patches on the front and on the sleeve. On the back it says, by the power of Grayskull. And on the inside it has nice motif. I don't think it's reversible though. No. Then there's this bag, $65. That's all the characters on it. This is like a denim shirt. It's got them printed on it. All the He-Man characters. I can't see what price that is though. That's that same person, I think. This is since he's sad looking, it must be Cringer. And he turns into Battle Cat. But he's a green tiger. He's He-Man's royal pet. Here's this is a long sleeve thin t-shirt It's got, I think that's Skeletor on the front. And there he is on the back, sitting in his throne. This is $45. Here's another t-shirt. It says Masters of the Universe. What does it say? I can't read that. $45, hopefully it says. And then there's some She-Ra specific stuff. There's a big thing. Oh, it's over here. She-Ra. There's a nice gem there, and her wings. It says She-Ra, Princess of Power. This one is $65. And then they have her I'm not sure what this is, but it is $65. And this is a necklace. $55. This is a smaller purse. Oh no, I guess it's a kind of like a wristlet, but it's very thin. It's like a coin purse, I guess. That's $30. The She-Ra t-shirt. Let's say $40. She-Ra cup. This is glass. $15. This is a She-Ra knit sweater. And it's $80. Long sleeve. And a gold She-Ra jacket with the red She-Ra print on the inside. This is $90. There's long sleeve. And there's a nice design. I think that might be her sword or something. I think that's it for the new Masters of the Universe items. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I will see you in the next one.